What's up, YouTube? Alright, check this out. I am on my way down to West Park. We're supposed to be doing the sound check birthday bus thing for me, and yeah, my birthday actually, but me at STEPPA sound. I'm gonna play some tune, check out the new sound and think the sound finish, and also I go down there, go set it up and play some tune. You feel me? And look at the weather, yo. I hope it clears up before later on. It looks brighter down further south though. But where I'm coming from, it's like dark straight. So yeah, hopefully it clears up. But yeah, I'm on my way down to the land. The sun is on the way. So I guess we'll be set up within the next hour. I will show a little bit of the setting up and then straight tune till 11 o'clock or so tonight. See? So yeah, we'll be recording most of the night. Well, at least a good portion of it. Alright, see you guys later.
Pardon I care for you. Yes, I care for you. You're the nearest to my heart. Why won't you dare? when me come out, I only pass out play the song. Then also I'm not worrying because I have something when I some man I talk about. Before me just get carried away. Me I tell them say, with all we do, right now God me doing first. The girl then come after. Maybe we put the money in between. But you know that I want thing we love more than woman. And more woman. So the term, I can praise God, I'm a record thing now. I'm a record thing. I'm a record thing, you know.
You can't leave child alone. You can't leave child alone. Whenever you're walking alone and you feel
I'm going to tell you a little secret one. Come like you don't see what I want. But me just take it nice and easy. Them coming like a girl the thing super tall, and them coming like they want girl the veteran. You see that one? A STEPPA. Maximum respect. Yeah. Along with my brother Jimmy. And them make this possible. Right now, we are going to roll out the sound big time. Well, yeah, you know, I'm scared. I'm scared.
put it down.
Yeah, promoter. Down there, man. Yeah, STEPPA.
Put it down. Come promoter, baby, put it down.
Yo. What do you think me? Oh, yeah. Mr. Any boy. What feels to me out of the boss? Put up all the money and talk and just kill them. So somehow, just kill them for free. Thank God say me left South Florida and going. No boy wouldn't dare play no song time. You know, kick out them teeth. Hey, with no apology. You know, I kill nobody. This channel, you, STEPPA, a family. So nobody not dead.
Put it down. Put it down, go promoter, baby, put it down.
You were never on the step alongside the brother Jimmy.
Put it down, it's your son, you come to put it down.
I wouldn't have bought someone on you.
Dance for the corner, how we put it down. Showing up the ear, how we put it down. And you wanna celebrations, come to cut how we put it down.
Cut them here. Tell me there, you want to make a short little bit. You see when STEPPA put it on, and you see when Devon put it on, the worst my brother Jimmy put it on, no boy can take it off. No boy around here can take it off when he put it on. That's pure nonsense.
Never take it down.
Check it out.
We'll not take it down.
Okay. Now I'm just scratching. Now watch it. That's the right now. That's the right now, start. That's alright, that's all. Nobody can take it down.
Next track. Yeah, man.
You see, we come from the old school. We go through all of the bad boy again. Saying, with some wicked flexing and the good Lord blessing. We're still there. That's why I did that. And the one of it, you see my friend them over this, some of them round this up. You see them a dream, yes. You see me? You see a ton Christian. You see a dust out a ton Christian. You see a dust out a ton Christian.
61 years old.
Alright, them think me at 20, them don't know so me at 60 plus. Yo! Don't lick it, termite!
Bad boys, I know how we are bad boys. Bad boys, know how we are bad boys. Rude boys, know how we are rude
The baseline is alright, Lottie.
Pushing all the way up. That one they were just too much.
Yeah, the sun take over the energy. There's some children in the next one. You know the family then comes to the spins of Bible and the friend they were doing alongside comes to the spins of Bible. Say, so now we keep it on Bible. No echo. Big up yourself. Big up your father time. All the ladies. No.
Bad boys, I know how we are bad boys. Bad boys, know how we are bad boys. Rude boys, know how we are rude boys. Don't make it bad boy. No, don't make it rude boy. Oh, politics make we unemployed. No, your tactics and them are use as ploy. Survival is the game. Right in blood your name. Joke and use the phone. One down the arm and chill. Bad boys, now we are bad boys, now we are wise conceptualize. How we street teach the fool.
Right now, big and serious. Yeah, you have to know, say, life is a journey. See, some people exit 2001, some exit 2000. Them exit all kind of it. Right now, we still a trouble. We the Lord's blessing, God first, me and say, we don't care what nobody wants to say. God first, good flexing, and we intelligent, we can read. So, you know, what's me on the minute? What's me on the minute? I like we are living. I like we are living. So, boy, I can read, that's why I'm last.
Life is one big road with a lot of sign. One big road with a lot of sign. Sign both sides. Come on. Life is one big road with a lot of sign. Sign both sides. I'm gonna make up my mind to face reality all the time. Many a sorrow, many a joy. Whenever you try to take life for a toy, some may do good
Right now, they're not giving no work, and they're not giving no work, and they're not giving us any work. Okay? But they are going to make me talk. This is when they decide to give me some work. This is a statement they make.
Yo, listen. Who drive a black Mercedes park in front of the gate and a Dodge Ram? Move it, please. Me ask you to move it, alright? Yeah.
Easy there, man, to water. That's out. The energy is full 100, you know. But up here so ready and steady. Yo, termite! Me said them not giving no work. They want to stop the veteran them. But I tell them say whenever them get ready and they make the phone call, there is something they need to remember. Turn up! Turn up! Turn up!
Run, come, call me. You run, come, call me. But make sure whenever I'm downward, I can get my pay. Hey, but you run, come, call me. Make sure you.
Yo, Mr. Night or day, anytime, them ready. All them have to do is just kill me, because I'm not wrong. And me and the boss around here. And me say music. And me say music. And me say sequence to the world. And my brother Jimmy and my brother Lottie. To the... All of the them for a long time.
Run, come, call me.
Yo, me back.
You run, come, call me.
I do hear we go for all of the time. Yo, you hear me? Yo, Termite. Tell the boy them.
About your run, come call me. Make sure you can pay me. About your run, come call me. Make sure you can pay me. Promote one in front of my law. Make sure ten a song get him mask. Yeah. Promote one in front of my law. Make sure ten a song get him mask. Yeah. About your run, come call me. Make sure you can pay me. About your run, come call me. But make sure you can pay me. You better make sure that you can pay me. Yes, you better make sure. You better make sure. You better make sure that you can pay me. Hey, about your run, come call me. Make sure you can pay me. About your run, come call me. But make sure you can.
We just, you know, some people around here, everybody is mixer this and mixer this. I'm not mixer, I'm talker, Mr. Talker. Otherwise, Mr. Talkative. Okay? So right now, man, we take out the phone and send some signal and tell some people, say we say right now. Tell them, say we say right now, right this minute. Tell some people, say.
Side. And the bass, turn on the bass. Bass to make that crowd, you know.
Them say
with you now. Like I said, just a lick and go through. Lick.
I said I tell them already. I will tell them again. I will tell them again. Alright.
Big set. Saying, oh, yeah, and we don't have no time to give up. So partner us, I'll camera little John Lot. And we are telling them something once more. We are Jamaicans and we don't like to be confined. Say, we are Jamaicans, we don't like to be confined. Tell them to me, sir. Tell them to me, sir. Tell them, sir. Violent sequence, sir. Yes, nah, I'm telling you, man. Yo, student. Hey. Tell them, I can say to them. You see right now, some people come out tonight, today, because at Jimmy Sequence birthday and Sequence are playing, so you come out to me and them last school and me and them youth and roll, me and them youth and family. Then you tell me, say, me could have come in and come play some idiot tune, some tune. I play some tune and I know say them know and know say me know. So it's right now, we're gonna come on road. May I make you stop here one more time, but make it one first, That's all come here. Now that's all I'm making not mankind. Now come here, that's all. When you first come to America, I think so that the first sound play for you. Syndicate. I want me a syndicate. Alright. I gotta say my Josh so been good to me. After all my sins, I gotta say my the Lord's been good to me. After all my sins, I put down my feet, I take off my body. I run from page to page to keep the weak away. Tonight I'm gonna make this a special night to give a thanks and praise. Cause I'm so proud to say what God does for me. I gotta say I don't know that student. Them are not afraid to say a secret university come from. But you see them are youth. They're not talking business, no students. Tell them what one. What is it? Jesus Christ. We're nice. Sequence to the world. I don't fear to tell any man, woman, boy, or girl. Sequence University. Say, you have many sound. You have sound college, but it's only one university, and it's Sequence University. Remember, that's all. You want, squarely. You got yourself deal, and your crew. Super family. Give me the one. Hey. Tribal war in Washington. Tribal war in Washington, tribal war them say sequence. What are them say sequence? Why not? Let me work today. Not gonna work today. A sequence thing. Now come back. There. Big up there. That's original. There over there. Whenever you want tire, anything like that, you are front tail. You go there, sky as far as sunrise. Support with time. You see what I'm saying? I don't want more peace, you know. You see that peace here? A peace here real, you know. A peace here so real, man. Say what's the difference between God and man? God and man. God and man. Say what's the difference between God and man? God and man. God and man. God will always be there for you. Say whether you're right or whether you're wrong, Lord mercy. God will pick you up when you are down. God will be there for you. Say what's the difference between God and man? God and man. God and man. Men would try to use and abuse you. They will do it to you. They will leave you down when you are down. They will put you in the ground. So that's the difference between God and man. God and man. God and man. You say me back and hurt me. Who them there? Where them there when the secrets of playboy? Where them there? Where them there? Where them there? Where we mash up the place? We mash it in a Lauderdale, in a Miami. So we gone in New York City. We rock them one and then we rock them two. And they come and we rock them three, laddie. How are they? Yo. You see what I want to say? Big and serious. I'm glad to see the item come out and show them support. And I respect the whole of the item. All of the long time people who want to listen to it for a long time. They love and respect them. Even if you don't see me every day, I'm not saying I rate to the car. I only take sequence this weekend's reach. And some boy will never reach there. I'm not afraid to talk. Some boy can't reach heights for sequence reach. But you see right now, Russian. You see right now. And we, when we come to America now, we met one youth named Big Guy. We're not supposed to know Big Guy. My first yard man, we meet in one Winn-Dixie. And the man say, yo, youth, enough are we there. Some are we there to pass and gone. And some are we there to tell the tales. Well, I'm one of those who the good Lord allow me to be here to tell the tales. Because 78 me come America, some of them not born when they come a foreign. And we have all of the thing. We spend we money and we hold up the thing for years. We say we spend we money and we hold up the thing for years. And I say all of my friends they want help to hold up the thing from them time there until now. Yo, star. We just have to play the tune. And we just looking at and think about it. And do all I have to do about it. Big up yourself. Yo, how I know about Montego Bay? How I know about Montego Bay? Why do you talk about Montego Bay, you know? Why do you talk about Montego Bay is Galtigo Bay? I one thing we love more than girl. More girl. And we come from Galtigo Bay and we don't care. Yo! big and serious. Lance, Jamosa, and a big up to the status. See? Right now, the one I know, nobody not dead in here. For any killing to go on, I'm here kill. I'm not killing nobody. So this is a station ID. Station ID.
Answer the mighty judge to bring secret some problem to continue to conquer these papers. So we got iniquity working some parts. And we come say Byron, come to see the mighty judge when we go around. London, Jimmy, one like for the elections. How are you saying that?
The wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life through Christ. Who shall I tell them?
Running sequence, attack them. So this is sequence sound. You're gonna be now, Lord. You're gonna be now, you're gonna be now. Trying to get to sequence sound. You're gonna be now, Lord. You're gonna be now, you're gonna be now. Trying to get to sequence sound. Some boy have to run away. When they do the sequence sound, I play. Cause it's just like Judgment Day. Yeah. And some boy want to kill a super dance to take his swing. In case it's the need is not ready, and you must get to be there. So could it be now, Lord? Could it be now? Could it be now? Trying to get to see the sun. Could it be now, Lord? Could it be now? Could it be now? Trying to get to see the sun. And then you add to selection, still I could taste the time. The secrets on the kid that my band, I say not so bad to go.
Like they say you really do you really want to be? I don't know right now. I'm always with my eyes on you from the very first moment I saw you. Remember
It's not that I don't love you. You know how much I do. And it's not that I found somebody to take the place of you. But it's just the feeling in me.
when the sequence starts to play, you need somebody, be wild. Pack up your jumper and go outside. The sequence is moving side by side. You got to wild, take the line, put out. That's why I'm run away when the video to sequence play. So why I'm run away, 'cause it just got done that way. Selected I'm run away when the video to sequence play. Only you so why, be wild. Walk with your soul and go outside. Remember that you wanna be sick inside. When you hear that love, they could die. Oh God, in your balance to downgrade, see it back from the place. Then the rapidity runs on so wide. Say you can stay in the dark, the gambling on so bad. You have some wild face. Now we go to Byron, Landy, Jimmy, Father Lexus, and John. Turn it on, somebody didn't come. I will tell you myself when I talk about it.
Sequence! Tell me to jump on when it's gonna be a weeping and a wailing and a gnashing of teeth and tell me that son boy if you don't teach the boy after the nash bomb. Lucian the Cabala, tap them!
Finish that. Run it back. Sequence on and kill them now. Oh, yeah. Our fathers and goes on remember to say what to say now. Yeah. I'm another family there. I come on there. And at the end of the week, that's a sequence on. I'm going to explain to get an underrated breakdown sequence of run. I'm going to explain to get an underrated breakdown sequence of run the place and set the places government to have some wild pace. Now we go to Byron, Landy, Jimmy, Father Lexus, and John. Turn it on, somebody didn't come. I will tell you myself when I talk about it.
Sequence! Tell me to jump on when it's gonna be a weeping and a wailing and a gnashing of teeth and tell me that son boy if you don't teach the boy after the nash bomb. Lucian the Cabala, tap them!
Finish that. Run it back. Sequence on and kill them now. Oh, yeah. Our farmers and folks not remember to say what to say. Yeah. I'm another farming there. I didn't come on there. And at the end of the week, I got to do the sequence of that. Beyond the beds in my king. Take a little slowly.
First, I want to say goodnight to everybody. My name is TJ Box. I'm from a baby. Not big man, no. I want to say happy Earth Strong to Uncle Jimmy, my grandfather. Maybe I hold him up that much. Uncle Jimmy, honor and respect. He taught people like me, but yo, TJ too much bass. Yo, the sound don't sound right. Yo, where you get that idiot sound there from? Big up Jimmy, alright? Big up Lottie! He taught me how to mix and take out the bass and, you know, be a gallus. Big up Father Lord. No, guitar. Alright, big up Lottie. I'm not gonna say too much. Mix, you know? 19th Street, who played that music? Sequence. How that we reach? And big up Byron. Because he gave me the most famous speech of my life. Blood are running like catch up. What y'all know about Domino Park? Sound like secrets of play. My High Temple. Snyder Park, TY Park. Hey, because of secrets, some song can't go like the parks. My High Temple. See that already, more than gunshot and alright. So, honor, respect from the young ones, young generation, like Shabba Rex will say, respect. Alright?
Greetings, this is Luciano Messenger, and I just want to say bless up to Secret Sound, a man like Snappy, Jimmy, and Father Lexus, man like Luddy, Express Sound, DJ Mikey, and shout out to the whole world, saying, and the Messenger.
Yo, give me one.
Check. Secrets, do themselves, yeah. Forward, come here, sir. Forward over here, sir. Forward right here, sir. Forward. Because you see in life, when a man does something good, you don't wait till them take them before you tell them. You understand? I'm a general. You understand? Remember, I'm going to bring up a song, the first time I ever found a song in a growing park. You understand? Remember the youngest song around here, son. You understand? I want a heavyweight song there. You come, I say, boom! Listen. You understand? And you give me some word of inspiration. I just, boom! Just go and boom, some. I mean, just stop that. Some manners and respect. You understand? On fire. I see you bring over this song. And then the warehouse, me and my father on fire. And my father said, you see the man over this song? I know what about there, you know, you understand? Me know I'm very strong, man. You have to deal with that man a long time. You understand? So this manners are respected. I'm very strong, right? You understand? I'm like you, because I never really feel like boom tonight much. Are you very strong? You understand? So I'm going to play some of the easy show, and then we just say, oh, you see it? Over this one.
I'm very much of the mountain. I know some blessed sound in some years, man. But it's part of blessing. That's what I'm saying, man. And you response, demon, and the messenger, man. I'm going to blessing you, man. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, take time to all the people who roll up early.
The messenger.
I just love where I deal with, you know what?
Messenger, messenger. That's all I have.
Oh, take time to the race, them all lights for y'all. I'll tell you.
Teaching things out of culture. You're still the massive big teenager. That's all I have.
Peace out all there. What's the nature, you know?
You got to understand, blessed sound, they were the number one, the champion. Ramping skin down, we rather offend, but it was so boring. Blessed sound, I will let them off for the premises, cause we crown king. Don't need the ring, and when they come and dance out, we know if we execute. But we're a star boy, I'm telling you the truth, we treat them like a fruit. And so, we lock them away in the fridge, cause certain song boy ain't got no privilege. You know that blessed sound, King be sound, you know. Blessed sound, King be sound around town. Come on, no.
I want to play some show with a hip hop long time, so that's, yeah, I know. you know what?
It's the dog here tonight, so we try to stay just nice and easy. Yeah, come on, come on. Lisa, you know what?
I can go say it and we say it. I can go say it, I didn't say it. When you look to my street, man, and most people come to see you, you get them. I'm encouraging termite and a song I want to sing. I have to make termite sing because we don't kill the youth, we raise the youth. Right now, if you don't see, you see that song I want to make a play? If you don't know anyone like that, don't be afraid to point them out. That's all. Me say, if you don't know anybody like this, point them out. Yo! Student! Student! Come in, come sing for the answer. Yeah. Come in, Jeremiah, come sing for the answer. Yeah. Cause you're original youth, you're our youth, so you're our youth.
Watch your man, a long time we aspire with sequence and we used to pack up amplifier in the place. That's what I mean. Around so, around so. See, I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be a bad boy no more.
can't just play one half pint. Fuck 10 artists. We're not gonna lie to you. Talk to Blaze. Can I talk to you? Hold on.
We saw. We saw. Oh yeah.
Take me time.
You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man on the street to see you want for use. Girl, you're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man on the street to see you want for use. Once you say you want to leave. Tomorrow night you say you did my key. You got it all, so you're having a ball. But soon after saying, girl, you gotta fight it too bad. Girl, you're too rude. Every man on the street to see you want for use. You're too bad. Girl, you're too rude. Every man I treat to see you want to use. All around town, all over the place. Every minute have a picture of your face. Hey, little girl, can you realize this is a dog on the street? You're too bad. Girl, you're too rude. Every man I treat to see you want to use. Girl, you're too bad. Girl, you're too rude. Every man I treat to see you want to use.
Ringside.
All of you I do soon bad.
Yeah, I'm not gonna believe this. Boy, I like the one, yeah, I know. I like the one in the chick for one of them. I feel like play some big show for Lindsay right now. Take time with it. When I run left, you know what, man? Hold on, bless it.
Have some mercy on me, baby. Don't you let me misery.
Let's try with box it up. Right now, we are easy, don't you know?
I feel like crying. I said I feel like dying. Since you left me and gone. It seems my love can't go on. Please come back home. Won't you please come back home? And let us start back from you. Me and you. Since you are gone, I can't eat. Since you are gone, I can't sleep. Everything I do seems to go wrong. Oh, baby, have some mercy.
And every woman you say is good for, you know, sound about chase, don't suffer. You know what?
Remember you.
Oh, 7 night is young, but later the matching, trust me.